Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitted. 24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put you waiting on look daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wonder.
Welcome to Face Fun House and Mommy Vlogs. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been rocking with me all along, you already know what's up. So before we start in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys some things I received from Fashion Nova. I also received some things from TikTok, and I also have some things from the local CVS store. So before we start, please comment, like, and subscribe. Drop all those comments because y'all already know I love when y'all leave me some comments. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so we're starting off with the Fashion Nova order. Okay, so Fashion Nova had a 40% off on all their products. I know when you check out, you have to put in code PARTY. And the great thing about their orders was you get it the next day. So it's next day shipping, which is so cool. You place your order. My order was here the next day, like, period. I love that. And they having a 40% sale. I don't know how long this sale gonna be, but I will be back to get some more items. So the first item I am opening is a mini go all out fleece short set in the color of Taupe. I thought it was a really cute. I have the same outfit, so we're gonna be twinning. I thought this set was really cute. It was 40% off. So this one is Faves. It's a two-piece along with the shorts. The material is so soft. The color is really cute. It's really cute. I love that Fashion Nova. They have a lot of mommy and me cute little outfits. And this is my outfit here. The same exact outfit, same color. Really cute. This is in the curvy size. So yes, they have plus, they have curvy, they have small, medium, large, extra small. They have a lot of sizes, y'all, which is really cute. So check it out. Go to the website. Like I said, 40% off. Stuff was really affordable. Y'all know I love catching sales. I love paying cheap, okay? When it's on sale, I'm all for it, okay? If it look good and it's cute, I'm for it, okay? Because I love budgeting. I love sales. I love to get things. When it's $100, if I can get it for $20, baby, I'm in it for it. All right, so that was the first little outfit we had got. Like I said, go to the website. They have a lot of mommy and me's. If you into that, check it out. The next thing I'm opening, I believe these were Faith's shoes. I thought these little slides were really cute. They're called Just for Fun slides in the color of a beige color. I be seeing these little bubble things all over the website, and they were marked down as well. They were like $9. They were really cute, comfortable. She tried them on and she loved them. Okay, I love the fact that it came with some charms, and you just pop all these cute little charms on. They are so cute. And y'all know you can also buy different color charms for your shoes and just pop them right in. They do sell these charms on Amazon and a lot of little stores like that. So if you into charms, if your child loves charms, I like charms too. I like fun stuff. We all like fun, cute stuff. So I thought these charms were so cute. So I'm trying to pop them on. Faith was trying to help me, but hers kept popping out. So you got to push it in really hard, and you got to twist it so it could stay. But other than that, I give these a 10. I think they are so cute and fun. And I just love the little charms. That just is so really cute. So this is the next thing that we have purchased, the little slides. Like I said, they were only $9. $9, very affordable. And this is after we popped them in. This is what they look like when we got them all in, and they look so cute and fun. So cute. Leave a comment, let me know what y'all think about these little bubble slides for fun. All right, so y'all know I had to get me some too. I couldn't find the exact one like hers, but the same color. I believe mine was called the slides, and they had like the charms were already connected on them. Yeah, I got some big feet, y'all. But anywho, those are my slides. I thought they were really cute and fun. Okay, so mine was the Chill with Charm slides, and I just thought they was cute as well. Mine already had the charms already in them, so I didn't have to place mine in, but I thought these was really cute and colorful and fun as well, y'all. So like I said, these were like $10.20 on sale as well. They were so comfortable and so soft. I love all the little charms inside, but I believe you can pull these out as well, and you can also add your own charms in. The next thing we got was some shades, and I thought the shades were just really, really cute. They're called Got a Crush on Your Sunglasses in the color of pink. So Faith got a mini pair and I got a adult pair. And I thought these was really cute. Y'all do know that the spring is coming, summertime is coming, and y'all want to pop on them shades, y'all. I love me some shades. I'm a shades girl. And I just thought these right here were really, really cute. They were $6. They were marked down as well because, like I said, they're having that 40% off sale. Faith's shades were $4.80 and mine was only $6. Okay, so yes, I love me some shades. Like I said, Faith loves some shades, and we all like to have fun in some shades, y'all. So that's what it is. Leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think about this 40% off sale. Fashion Nova always be having some sales, and they be so quick. You be like, well, dang, I didn't know y'all was having a sale. So they sales be really, really quick. The next item I received was a mini Simple Pleasure graphic t-shirt, and I got one in an adult size. Face was marked down to $9 and mine was $12. I really love this t-shirt. I think it's really cute, nice and cool. Like I said, spring and summer is around the corner, y'all. Today we had like 60 degrees. We was at the park, earlier, and the kids was like, "Ma, it's getting hot." I'm like, yes. So yeah, I love the color in this shirt. I love the green. I just thought it was cute. You can wear that with some shorts, jeans, whatever you want to do, honey. Cute. Next thing that I got was these cute daytime adventure bucket hats. I just thought these hats were really, really cute. I just love pink. Like I said, summertime is coming. Faith's hat was $6 and mine was $7.80. I thought these hats were really, really cute. You can throw these on with anything. You could pull this on these hats with some pink sneakers or whatever you want to throw on with it. But I just thought it was cute. Let me just try it on and see what I look like. Do I look like LL Cool J sister? Comment below and see if I look like LL Cool J sister. I could pass for a sister, y'all. I'm just playing. But anywho, yeah, these bucket hats were really, really cute. They were really adorable. I just love it. So me and Faith had to try it on, y'all. So we threw the pink shades on along with the hat, y'all, the little bucket hats. And I thought we was popping. Comment below if y'all think we were popping. Was we cute or what? All right, so moving along with the TikTok shop, y'all. I just love that store. I got addicted, y'all. I ain't even lying. So this is a microphone. We all need these, y'all. And I had to get a couple of them. So I'm just opening one microphone, y'all. So you use this when you're videoing, vlogging, YouTubing, whatever you want to do. The thing I like about the TikTok shops, they have everything an influencer need. For real. When I first start shopping there, I was like, you know what? This is going to be my store, y'all. I even got this wig I have on now, but I already have it on. I got this from the TikTok store, believe it or not, and it was really, really cheap. I would have this in the link just in case you want to go on and order some things, the things that I got from TikTok shop. But this mic is so good. It's crisp, clear, and that's what I like about it. Very crisp. So when you're about to do your video, you need a clearer voice. You need a louder voice. You need your voice to be great. Check it out. It does the job really good. It comes with a charger, so you can just charge it up before you go on screen. So yes, this was really nice, very cheap, very affordable. The quality was really, really hitting. I'm like, okay. Sometimes you got to try things out and see how it goes. Don't worry about the price all the time. Just try things out. Instead of paying, $150, you can probably get away with $40, okay? All right, so like I said, I will have the link in the description just in case you want to order. Next thing I got from the TikTok shop was some glasses, y'all. I love me some glasses, and when I saw these and I saw the price, I will have the prices in a link just in case you want to go out and try these glasses. I could not believe the price. And a lot of people were doing the reviews. They were saying that they even got their medicine prescriptions inside of these glasses because they were so cute, very cheap and affordable. And they were like a nice, sturdy and heavy, like for real. They were really, really cute. And I still can't believe the price, like how cute they were. So, like I said, I will have this in the link just in case you would like to try them for yourself and see if you like them. But they have all styles, all colors, y'all. They got beige, they got brown, they got red. They have a lot of different styles on the TikTok shop, okay? But like I said, you gotta try it. Try it for yourself. I got another pair, y'all, because I was like, okay. So I picked up these and they were like a hot pink and a green color. So I was like, let me try these out too, just to see. And I tried these on too, and I thought they were really, really cute. You know, you can match them up with your little outfits if you're going to work, you doing, you in school, and you just want to look cute. Why not look cute, right? So yeah, I will have this in the link just in case you want to order them. I also had to get a black because y'all know black go with everything. Comment below if y'all like the black, y'all like the blues, or y'all like the two-tone color ones. But I thought the black looked so cute. I look smart, right? Comment below if I look smart. Don't mind me. But yeah, I thought they were so cute. Like I'm gonna get some more. I probably have all the colors. I think I'm gonna order me like a eyeglass stand so I could be spinning it around and around, like all my colors, like really, really cute. So yeah, I'm just trying to fix my mirror. I'm trying to fix my screen because it kept shaking. These children was getting on my nerves, y'all. They know when I'm trying to record. Like, that's why I record when they're not home or they're in school or if they're somewhere out the house or at an activity or somewhere. But anyway, comment below and let me know what y'all think. Now we're going to get into the CVS things I bought. So y'all know I love doing, some makeup. I love makeup brushes, but these are the best Real Technique brushes you can ever get. So I picked up those and I picked up some smaller ones, the same brand, Real Technique. You got to check it out. Those do wonders, okay? And that was really it with the CVS. No, it's not. I'm sorry. I also had to get my concealers, y'all. And I got some foundations. I got Maybelline Fit Me. In these 3 shades, very affordable, y'all. I love Maybelline. They got some nice brands, lipsticks, and all that fun stuff. They got a good line for Maybelline. But you can never go wrong with Maybelline Fit Me. Very affordable, good brands. And of course, y'all, I had to get my favorite e.l.f. concealers, okay? Now, these are very, very affordable. These are like my favorite. I opened those already because I had to use them. But these are like a dupe for a lot of concealers that are high price. So I advise you, check it out. e.l.f. concealer. I've been using it for a long time. It's very creamy. And I just love how it makes your skin feel. I got some NYX Epic White Liner. I picked that up as well. And I got another eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade of brown. And I got that as well. So that is basically it, y'all. That's the end of this video. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. I appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much if you came back to join me in another video. Y'all just make a sister feel so special. Please be sure to check out our shorts videos. We be doing a lot of shorts, y'all. Check out our membership if you would like to join or consider joining our membership. The link will be here in the description. Join a fam. So until next time, have a wonderful, blessed day. Stay safe and stay prayed up. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Bye. So until next time, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.